Hello, everybody, and welcome to day 13. And I thank you all for taking this journey with me. This is amazing. Yes, I'm on day number 13 of this incredible patch, right? It is the X39 patch. And I tell you, this patch from LifeWave has been a life-changing game changer for me. I have I couldn't have imagined that I was going to feel the way that I feel today 13 days ago. 13 days ago, I was tired, I was depressed, I was pain for all over my body. I couldn't sleep well. I had brain fog, not only from, I talk about the accident, not only from the residual effects of, having a closed head injury, which I'm going to start divulging even more because, I think that's the only way to help other people is to be transparent. If you go back and look at some of my other podcasts, I took a 5-month hiatus because I just couldn't press through the pain anymore. Still going about my daily journey of, recovery and realignment. And, I just was not myself. But I started pushing through. I have amazing mentors. I have an amazing support system around me, amazing family. So I'm able to come back out. But, I wouldn't have been able to feel and be where I am right now had I not started using this X39 patch. It has truly given me my second win. I think about how sometimes we're really skeptical about things because so many things have not panned out for us. And we, as adults, we get that, that skeptical eye about things. So I know one of the reasons why I compare this to some of the Disney characters and some of the child stories. Like today, we're going to talk about the Prince and the Frog. We're going to talk about Ray and how his little butt lit up. That's what happened when I started using this patch, right? I started using the patch, and all of a sudden, I started lighting up, right? The pain started to leave my body. I'm able to do so much more. I have so much more strength. But I was saying the reason why I compare it to the childlike Disney movies and the characters and everything is because that is a child. A child is so, they're so innocent. They haven't been tainted by all of the no's and the negativity and the negative energy in the world. They're still so innocent and so childlike, and they're believing, and they allow their imaginations are amazing and incredible. But I just love it because, like in The Princess and the Frog, the little cricket Ray, he lit up, right? And how had all his people in the sky lighting up with him. And that's what I want to do with the patch. Everybody that I know, and even the people that I don't know, I want to help. And this is my opportunity to be able to live out my passion and my dreams. That's why I went into holistic medicine, into holistic wellness. That's why I went into it, because I wanted to be able to first help myself recover and realign from the accident, from traumatic incidents back to back to back, causing complex PTSD. I and then now on top of all of that, y'all, lean a little closer. We talking about the symptoms of menopause. Oh my Lanta! Let me tell you, talk about some real brain fog. I'm still thinking about the Prince and the Frog, but brain fog and just nobody warns you when you're growing up that you're going to hit these kind of issues. But oh my goodness, a godsend. I'm going to show you what this patch looks like. And I'm also going to talk to you just a little bit about what I was able to accomplish this morning. So first, the patch. This is the patch. Oh my goodness, my best friend. You could not pull this out of my hand. You couldn't give me $1 million to stop using my patches. I'm telling you, 12 hours on, 12 hours off. I am so dedicated because if I can get past these issues that hit me because of the accident, man, and my knees are working better, and as talking about knees, I love yoga, the deep stretching modern yoga. I love it, right? But I haven't been able to quite get into a lot of those poses because I had, bilateral knee issues. But guess what? This morning, I was able to do a pose that they call the frog, right? I was nervous because I didn't know if I could trust my knees or not. Oh my goodness, I was able to do that frog pose and hold that pose, and I didn't get up in pain. And oh my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. I did. I rubbed down with my soothing salve because it helps, if you're going to get the soreness and everything from working out, it does help me. And I love it. I love it. And it's giving me the nourishment as I'm recovering or your body recovers from working out. But with the patch, it's helping me to push through. The salve is helping me to recover quickly. So it's a perfect marriage, right? So I wanted to tell you about that today. I did a different type of yoga today, a yoga that can help me release trauma. And I'm going to learn more about that so I can bring those tools to you, right? It helps you to release trauma stored in your body. Whenever you have trauma, it does not just leave, it stores in your cells and in your body. And then if you have another traumatic incident, it stores and it also affects your brain. Man, I'm telling you, but to be able to start to recover, realign without any type of toxins going into my body, this works on your body's own peptides. It's like waking you up. Like I say, drinking your water, you keep your water handy. I keep my water handy. I use them, put it in glass. I don't like the plastic leaching into my water. But you get that gallon of water in. See, I'm back here. I'm jumping like this right now because it's hard for me to sit in this seat. But I wanted to share this journey with you because it's real. And as I go through each day, I wanted you to see what it is because what's possible for me is also possible for you. And I'm just so excited to be able to share it with you. So again, I was able to get into the frog pose today. And oh my goodness, talk about some Mama Odie singing, dig a little deeper, you'll find what you need, right? You just gotta have positive energy and know that what's possible for one person is possible for you as well. So I'm excited. I don't know. Well, what are we going to talk about tomorrow? What Disney character can I compare this to tomorrow? Because today it's all about the princess and the frog. Man, I tell you, just like Tiana and my granddaughter, Zoe, my grandson, Jaden, Charlie, Aaron, Zamora. If I name them all, y'all, David, Daniel, I have 9 grandchildren. I have 9 grandchildren, and I cannot wait to get on the floor with them, show them, because they always think of me as, I'm that nana that does all kinds of stuff, but getting on the floor is not one of them. But when I'm able to get on the floor with them and roll around, that just warms my heart. So I think that's it for today, but I just wanted to share a piece of the joy that I am receiving from this incredible, incredible patch. It is absolutely an answer to my prayers. And, today I say, let your light shine on somebody. And if you can't, come on over here and get some of our light until you can. All righty. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Share this information with somebody else. There's somebody that you want to bless. I want to patch everybody, right? Don't forget, down in the description box will be the links if you want to learn more about the patch, the links if you want to order some salve and try it for yourself. It's all available to you. Like Mama Odie said, dig a little deeper. You'll find what you need. All righty. Bye for now.